Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing Fairyloot September box. Now this month's theme was All That Sass, and I was a bit worried about it just because all the books they mentioned on their hints I haven't read. So they mentioned Percy Jackson, the Grisha series and Throne of Glass. I mean, I have started reading Throne of Glass, but I'm still a tiny bit worried. So this is a little spoiler card, which as usual not going to look on the back, but again that's very pretty. Now the first thing I see is a candle, and thankfully it's from the Mortal Instruments, something that I have read and I love. It's High Warlock, so this is based on Magnus Bane, and the smell is sandalwood, incense and lavender, and it's by In the Wick of Time. Oh, that smells so nice. I am going to like this. That smells so nice, and I'm going to keep that with my Mortal Instruments books. Next I see some, is this chocolate? Oh, it's drinking chocolate. It's hot chocolate for sassy demigods. So this is the one based on Percy Jackson, and that is pretty cool. So hot chocolate. What is in it, because I have to make sure it doesn't have nuts in. Ooh, I might not be able to use this. Is nutmeg counted as a nut? Because I'm not too sure. If not, I may have to just give this to my best friend Michelle, because she's read Percy Jackson, she loves it. She does already get Fairyloot, but I think she won't mind having a bit more hot chocolate for her. Ooh, it's a magnet that says, "I solemnly swear I am up to no good." So that is awesome, and it's such a pretty picture as well. It looks like the key from the Philosopher's Stone when they're trying to get to the stone. It's the key Harry had to catch, but that is so pretty, and I can't wait to stick that up somewhere. Now we have a beanie, a beanie that says "Rattle the Stars." So I think that's a quote from the Throne of Glass series. Is it from Crown of Midnight? I've just read Crown of Midnight. I think that might be a quote from there. I know it's a quote that's very famous, and when I read it in either Throne of Glass or Crown of Midnight, I thought, oh, so that's where that quote's from. But that is pretty cool. I don't really wear beanies, but let's just try it on, see what it looks like. There you go. That is pretty cool. I'll probably be wearing this in winter. I keep this on for the rest of the video, just so I can get used to myself wearing a hat, because I actually don't have a hat. I never wear hats, just because last Christmas I had to put my hair up for work, so I didn't want to mess it up. Now I've got this short hair, I can wear a hat to work. That is actually awesome. Thank you, Fairyloot. But now this is, ooh, it's a tote bag. It's from Clockwork Angel. I actually haven't read The Infernal Devices yet, but it is on my to-read list, and this is what it looks like. There you go, and it says, "There's plenty of sense in nonsense, sometimes if you wish to look for it." There you go. So like I said, I haven't read Infernal Devices, but it's a very nice tote bag, and you can never have enough tote bags. And we've got a little bookmark for Tower of Dawn. So this is the next book in the Throne of Glass series. I don't have this yet. Depending on whether I like the rest of the series or not, I may not buy it, but people are saying it's quite a surprise because fans of the book didn't quite think it'd be that good, but I suppose I'll see, because I'm not really enjoying Throne of Glass at the moment. But Crown of Midnight was really good, so if everything lives up to Crown of Midnight, then I actually might like the series. It's a chapter sampler of The Gentleman's Guide to Vice and Virtue. This is on my TBR. It's one of the books I am hoping people will buy me for my birthday or Christmas. One in the hardback edition. I don't remember if this is out in England yet. It probably is. Yes, it came out on the 10th of August, so yeah, that came out quite a while ago. Can't wait to give that a go. Or I may not actually, because I think I might just want to leave it until I get the book. Then we've got a little notepad, and it says, "Anything worth doing starts with a bad idea." So, not quite sure that's from. I haven't seen anything related to the Grishaverse yet, so I'm guessing this is from that series. But it's so very pretty with the wolves, but yeah. That is so nice and pretty. Then we've got a few pictures, no idea who they are. Now for this, usual, you get your little bookmark, a signed plate for the book, and my reading buddy. And this book is again one that I've never heard of, which kind of goes with the theme of Fairyloot, because I've never heard of any of the books that I've got. And this is Even the Darkest Stars, with such a pretty cover. Look at that, that looks perfect for winter. I have no idea what this is about, so let's just have a quick read of the blurb. So, quick read of the blurb. This looks like it follows our main character who has always wanted to be an explorer for the king. That is until a famous explorer comes to her city and asks her to go with her. That's what it looks like. It looks like it'd be really interesting exploring these foreign worlds, and it is such a pretty book. So yeah, that looks like it's going to be very, very interesting. Oh, and I've also just found the letter from the author, which is again on the little book cover. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. As usual, you can like this video or subscribe to my channel, and there's also all my media links below. So I will see you later with a new video. Bye!